Hello and welcome to another quick update about Solana. Solana dropped here out of the support box in the last few days. I took off the short-term bullish chart. I took the wave count off the chart. We had some short-term upside potential all the way up to around first 19 and then $25. However, this would have been only short-term upside potential. I did communicate I would expect a move down afterwards. But I also told you very clearly that I will only think that this is going to be activated or unlocked, this short-term upside potential, if we break above $15. So that never happened. That $50 level was so relevant. We even peaked here on the 14th of December and then didn't break above it and failed. And we're now rolling down. We broke below support. This was the relevant support for this movement, so we didn't break above 15 and lost key support. Technically, yeah, I mean, the way this would have worked, it would have been a wave 1 to the upside and here ABC with a wave 2 bottoming here, then wave 3 to the upside. That's technically still possible because we have not invalidated this 1-2 setup. We haven't broken below the 1090 level, here the low of the 22nd of November. However, we have broken key support and we have broken the important Fibonacci retracement. So we are below everything that would be likely still in terms of a recovery. We even dropped below the 88.7% Fib level at 1143. So we've got a bit of a reason here for assuming that we're going to drop further. First of all, we dropped below the yellow support area. You can see how relevant that was. We were finding support here, dancing on that support, basically descending triangle, dropped down, and now what we're doing is basically retesting the 88.7% Fib level from below, and that is sort of around the 1140 area, yeah, 1141, depending on how accurate we're drawing the Fibs. Maybe it's even 1140 if I draw that down exactly. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be that we are going to break to the upside from here, at least not immediately. At the moment, this looks very corrective what we're doing. And I wouldn't be surprised to see further downside here and break below the 295 level, which is that 22nd of November low. Yeah, I mean, again, unless we now see some kind of really explosive upside and a break above $15, I think we're going to go down quite quickly here in this third wave that we talked about before. That could take us into that $7 region. And if we then see a corrective move up and then we can expect another low, probably into the $4 to $5 range, maybe even lower. So yeah, not a bullish chart, certainly weak, certainly bearish, and especially here we are now in this, yeah, you could call it a price channel. It's not really an impulsive channel, but it is pointing to the downside. And short-term upside, you could always expect that short-term upside would be unlocked here if we break out of the channel to the upside. Until then, we are basically range bound here. We are bound in the channel, and if we hit resistance here, then we are most likely going to come down unless we really see a breakout. But even a breakout of this channel, it wouldn't really mean anything. It wouldn't be bullish or anything. I mean, again, unless we see really an impulse to the upside, break above $15, then I think we still have another good chance for this short-term upside. But again, we've broken all key levels, and from what I can see at the moment, there is nothing that would point towards that, nothing remotely bullish here at the moment. So yeah, further downside is likely, and I think we need to prepare for a drop below 1095. If that happens, let's zoom out. You can see there isn't going to be much support left here until basically $7. So yeah, put the seatbelt on. I can add the VRVP again to the chart, and you can see in terms of historical volume, there is not much there. So an insufficiency basically. So yeah, we need to be ready for losing the $10 level, and would then make it down to around $7. And here you can see very nicely how the historical volume increases in my support area. So that's where it was based on here. And yeah, I mean, this goes down to 0, to be honest. So it needs to, it is the very last chance to turn around here anyway. So, but ideally above that, but it's getting tough. So prepare If we drop below 290, that you should put your seatbelts on. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.